Let me show you how to use your Blink Mini 2K Plus camera without paying a monthly subscription. So if you want to do it, it's actually quite easy. But to be able to do that, you have to actually get a sync module for it. So this camera can also be used without a module, so directly. But then if you do not pay the monthly fee, it's not a very good experience at all, I would say. So there are multiple different modules that you can actually get for these cameras. For example, if you look online, this core module is the cheapest one, but that actually won't allow us to basically use like local storage. So you see, we can't actually insert micro SD here or a flash drive. What you have to get is one of these Blink Sync Module 2s. Or also the new Blink Sync Module XR. This is actually way more expensive than this one. And also, yeah, I think this is actually better because we can not only use like USB flash drives with it, but also you can also use micro SD with it if you get adapter like this. So you simply insert your micro SD here, adapter, and you can also use your micro SD with it. With this one, we can only insert the micro SD cards. So we can't use the flash drives actually with this one. So I think that's, yeah, this is even better in my opinion. And first, I also suggest to actually format your flash drive or the micro SD card before you use it. So you can go to your computer, for example, open up right click on the drive and simply click format. And you want either select the FAT32 or exFAT. I think for both still work. And then click start. It will essentially format the flash drive or card so it can actually be used with the camera properly. And next also you obviously need to add your sync module as well to the Blink Home Monitor app. So this is the app that you can use to control and see everything. So the first time you launch, you will need to log in, but you click here after that on the plus icon, and you first have to actually add the sync module. So if you already have the camera added in the app, I'm not sure if it will even work. You might actually need to go here, click here, device settings, and simply general, and simply first delete it. So you want to delete it, otherwise again it's simply connecting directly. We do not want that. So yeah, first you simply go here and add the sync module. I see on the back you have a QR code, so you simply point your camera at it, it will read it and get added. After that you go back here and simply again you add your mini camera. And then it should work. And as soon as you, apologies. As soon as you insert the flash drive in your module, it should work straight away. You might also see notification on your phone. So you see, you can open this notification and it brings you straight away to this storage. If it doesn't, if you want to access this also, you can click here in the sync module, local storage, and you can also see that stuff here. So if it appears here, it shows your remaining space. That means it's working and it should be ready. So there's nothing else that you really need to do. But if it's not appearing here, if you can't connect, you can also maybe remove your power cable from it and simply restart it. Sometimes it doesn't get added for some reason the first time. Or also I can check also if it isn't too large. For example, this module only supports flash drives and cards up to 256 gigabytes in storage. So if you have larger, it actually won't recognize it, which is a bit bummer. So yeah, essentially, then every time the camera gets triggered by motion, it should ultimately record the video file to your flash drive. That is if you have the free trial, the free version without the cloud storage, and also do not have the free trial. If you have the free trial, so when you actually purchase these cameras, you do get a 30-day trial. If you have that, it actually won't record it straight away to the flash drive. Instead, it will actually record to the cloud storage. And once per day, it will back it up to the flash drive. So yeah, if you use the cloud storage also, this flash drive essentially only gets used as a backup. But if you do not pay, if you also do not have the cloud storage trial, then yeah, essentially every time the camera gets triggered and it needs to record the video, it will record the video straight away to your flash drive without any delay, so it will be available instantly there. And yeah, after the video is recorded to your flash drive, if you open the clips, you should be able to see the videos. Or also, if you simply take the flash drive, connect to your PC, you can also view the files that way as well, so obviously better quality. So as you see, for each day it kind of creates its own folder where it gets where essentially places all the videos, so you can easily retrieve them and watch them and use them. Also, yeah, another advantage if you actually use your Blink Mini 2K Plus camera with a module, so actually any module, is that you're also able to actually pull up the feed of the camera at any time. So see, I can see what's actually happening here instantly. Yeah, if you actually do not use your camera with a module, it actually doesn't allow you to pull up the live feed in the free version. In the trial or the paid, it allows, but not in the free, which is absolutely ridiculous. The only way you can see the live view then is if the camera gets triggered by motion detection. Then you can see it, but you can't simply click here and view it if you do not have the module or do not pay the subscription fee. So another advantage, yeah, if using it with one. Okay, good luck.